I think you're in my seat. Do you mind switching seats with my wife? We're on our honeymoon and we want to sit together. Okay, where's your wife's seat?
That's my seat, thank you.
That's an economy. No, I paid for business. Wow. We're on a honeymoon? Can't you show some kindness? Can I please have my seat?
What seems to be the problem here?
This guy said he was going to switch seats and now he's taking it back. I never said I was going to switch. He said he would switch with me. I actually took a look into your ticket and found out that you got a free upgrade. And now you're trying to steal this passenger's seat. So I'm going to give you two options. One, both of you go to economy. Or two, get off this flight. Rather on your own or through security. No, we're not moving. Security! Can't do this, I'm gonna sue! Have a nice day!